the first thing you're going to do is put your first name, last name, and the number. Okay? The number of the day is 10, so we're going to write it in word form. So you should be able to look at our word wall and write 10. You also have to tell me if the number is even or odd. Remember to look in the ones place. Okay? Once you're done, you're going to do tally marks. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now we have to put our 1 and our 0 in the correct box. The 10s and the 1s. Well, we know the 0 is in the 1s and the 1 is in the 10s place. Our number is still 10. Now remember, we have been working on expanded form. So the 1 is in the 10s place, so it equals 10. Now we have a 0 in the 1s place, so remember, when we have a 0, we still have to write the number, and it would be 0. 10 more. What is 10 more from 10? 20. 10 less? Well, can we do 10 less? Yes. But the answer would be 0. Okay? Instead of doing 100 more and 100 less, you will be doing 1 more, which is 11, 1 less, which is 9. Okay? Ahora, para escritura, tienes que corregir la oración porque Miss Mesa no la escribió correctamente. Vamos a mirar la mayúscula. ¿Es mayúscula? ¿Sí o no? Vas a corregir en la línea de abajo la oración. Voy a correr. ¿Qué nos falta al final? Escríbelo. Lo mismo con el número 2. Tenemos mayúscula, tenemos punto final. Después de que termines este papel, tienes que agarrar tu libro de lectura y ponerte a leer.